our government how works. This it's a question. Sometimes, do you think about your government? I am trying to say your government how works, how types works. Okay, in your area. Suppose if you live in your state, okay, in your state, then your government state how works, what works for you, for public, for state, okay, such as inclusive growth, okay. So many things our state government can improvement in development. Okay. So here are given what here you are looking what about government about many types. How many types? Okay. How are many types of government? So about government you will discuss. You you already have understand about government, but in this lecture we will discuss in deeply through example with examples, okay. And I said just through deeply means if when we discuss about government then with examples and as well as about types of government, okay. So after question comes. After questions then question comes level of government. This shows what level of governments, how many levels of government in our country, okay. So here are given national level, state level, but one by one we will discuss, okay, without time waste. Let's start. Let's begin. A government, yeah, our government is the system or organization. You can say, system and also organization. Okay. Here is given only for understand, only for definition. Organization or group of people. Group of people. This word do remember because this word will crucial role in our study. Group of people with the authority to govern a country or a state. In other words, that has the authority to establish and enforce rules, laws, and policies within particular territory. Here, what are saying? You are getting what here? Whatever here are saying, you are getting. Hmm? Do are you getting about it? That definition is given. So here are saying your government, and here are also mentioned what here are mentioned country and state. Country government of country, government of state. Because you will see, you are saying in your area, in India has 28 states. So 28 states, government of 28 states will be okay. So here are saying country or state. But government have authority. Government have authority. In your mind would be coming question. Authority what for? What for? Why is given authority of government? Okay. Why is given authority of government? This is question. It's question. And here are discussing to govern a country or also states. Suppose our government what works? Our government what does work? So our government govern a state. If we talk about country government, then our country government govern govern a country. Okay, suppose our PM. So our PM govern govern a country. Okay. So here this word what is meaning? System organization, because through any systems can survive our country in better situation. Okay, organizations you can say in other words. Also group of people, because in this system has have group of people. What I am saying, what I am trying to say, I am saying in a group, in a government have many group of people. Okay. In other words, let's understand what I am saying. I am saying group of people. Suppose who are the people of a group of people. I am telling you group of people means in the previous lecture I told you about government, about level of government, but here are also mentioned level of government. So about group of people we will discuss here, but in short I say I want to say you a government means types of government, but the types of government will not be okay, will not be here. Group of people means level of government. In the next we will see, but only here do understand, do remember group of people. Oh, okay, and this word we will discuss here. Okay, because here are only given definition. Okay, with the authority, because authority is compulsory of government. Government have authority is compulsory. Okay, to govern a country or states. In other words, okay, that has the authority to establish, that has this authority powers. In other meaning, powers. In other words, that has the authority to establish and enforce rules, laws, and policies. In the lecture of Parliament and its making law, saw what about rules, laws, policies. Okay, about government means house of the people. House of the people. In our country has parliament, a parliament. In the parliament consist include two houses. Name of the first house is Council of the State, and the name of second name is House of the People and Council of the State. So this I am what saying Council of the People and the House of the People. These are group of people. Okay. So here I say through this, and third comes president. President. Okay. And in this in Parliament you will see executive person, legislative person, and judiciary. I am saying what executive and legislative, and third is judiciary. Through these people can make rules. By through these people can make rules, laws, and policies, and enforce, establish. And here are saying what that has the authority, because people of this, 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 people of this have authority, and these people can make rules, policies, laws, and enforce by these people. Okay, because in these people are considered about this, and this is for people, for country, for public. Okay, in your mind would be questions, rich question. So what are rich question? Rules, laws, policies. What for? This for public. This is for public within particular territory, because Indian territory, our political government, our political party cannot intervention in other country, because compulsory particular territory, and in our Indian constitutions are mentioned about territory, about Indian territory. Okay, so here are we are saying we are saying what our political government, our country government cannot intervene in other in other country. Okay, so within the particular territory means Indian territory, and the government is primarily responsible for making public policies for an entire society. Yeah, primarily means firstly, but in your mind also would be coming what in the previous lecture we have discussed about responsible means when we were discussing about parliament, then comes about judiciary. Judiciary is the responsible word for, is the responsible word for Indian constitution. But here responsible, our government is primarily responsible, means firstly responsible for making public policy. This government is accountability. Okay, for making public policy for an entire society. Because you will see what your who are representative of your. Okay, so also we say your representative, also we say government in other term. Okay, in other term. So our government, our respects, our representative government makes decision in parliament. Okay, speaks opinion of our government, speaks opinion of public. Okay, then after decision, this people, after decision, this people makes rules, laws, and policies, and our government in this include in this group has include the government. Our government is primarily responsible because we need policies. So if people need policy, then in short word we say public policy for an entire society. Entire means completely society. Okay, here are saying society, about society, not country, foreign, because through society can be improved development in any country. So what I am trying to say, through society, through society can be improved GDP, can be increase GDP ratio, GDP rate, because in some cases you can say, in some cases you can say society is the important role in the GDP of our country, in the GDP of our country, in the GDP of our country. This society is not, I am saying big role, I am saying because role of society must be in any country, and also indirect this say society must be included in any country, and this society can be increase but economic level. Okay, is better situation. So our government focus where on society. on entire society. In society, what are lack of resources? So government decision. So the government makes a decision, and in parliament goes in parliament government our government voice and opinion of public. Our government speaks. Our government speaks, and through these people makes a decision for public, for country. What will be right? What will be wrong? Who decide? This is the decision. But what does makes policies and laws and rules? So legislative. Who? Legislative. Okay, legislative. And implements, executive process implements. Okay, and judiciary investigate. And after investigate, judiciary decides what is wrong, what will be wrong, and what will be right. If any policies if makes if any policies makes after investigate judiciary, then judiciary, if judiciary decide this policy will be right for public, for development of country, then judiciary applies. Okay, in country, in the country. Okay, till here we are clear. In short, we will see a government is the system. Because system, why I am saying the system? Because this is not one person. This cannot be one person's in a government. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about government, together government means one or more than. Because you will see what level of governments they are saying, national level, state level, and you can think, you can imagine. In our country have 28 states. Okay, in our country have 28 states, and 28 states. If in our country have 28 states, then will be government 28 government. So here are what saying? Here are saying a government is a system, group of people, and I give example of this organization. These three here are coming three words: system, organizations, group of people. Note matters. You can undertake of these three. Okay, of these three words with the authority, because a government, if a government have authority to govern a country or a state. In other words, we say our government has authority to establish and enforce rules, laws, and policies with the particular territory. Indian territory is compulsory for any country. No, because I am saying only Indian territory. Indian territory. It's compulsory for Indian country. The government is primary, means firstly responsible for making a public policy for an entire society, means completely society. A government can be of many types. What here I saying? Because when we were discussing group of people, and till time at the discussion time, I said what we will discuss about a group of people, and here are coming. A government can be of many types, but we will see. We see, for example, democracy, republic, monarchy, aristocracy, anarchy, and dictatorship. Dictatorship. And do notice what in this government types, these are government types, but we will focus democracy, republic, monarchy, and more on. So, what is government types of our country? I am saying we have selected a government types. a government type, and I am asking question. That is what? That is what? In this regard, this this is democracy. We have selected democracy. Okay, about democracy, upcoming lectures we will discuss about this, and in this previous lectures we have discussed about. Okay, so about this, and this is what? This is types of government, but we have selected this. So we will discuss about this because slowly, many of a country are adopting democracies because you will see example for understanding of democracy almost are taken of South Africa. Okay, South Africa, because when you will study about South Africa in the context of democracy, then you will find what white person and non-white persons. South African people and American people. In this between was apartheid. Okay, so here are not discussing about example of South Africa and America. In short, we said, okay, democracy we have selected, and about this we will discuss if this will come in our lecture, in our this lecture. Next we will see level of government. Level of government. Here are saying how many are levels of government, and here are definition. Here are given definition level of government. So why we need a level of government, and after this definition discuss we will understand we will go understand. India is a representative democracy. Yeah, here what I am saying, what I was saying, we have selected democracy. Representative why? Representative why? Till here when we were discussing example of representative, I gave about representative. I told about representative. So in short, we will discuss representative means when you elect any one person's leader of your area, for government. Okay, for representative, and these representative people makes a decision in parliament. What for our, because we have elected a representative. Why? Perfect laws. For perfect laws, these people could better decision. Okay, these people could better makes laws. So these representative helps us in the case of better situations for livelihood of people. Okay, what are situation of people in the particular area, and that area, in that area who are living people, and that people need a better situation, need some material, some process, some resources. Why? For livelihood. So that people elect a representative people, and after elected representative people takes opinion of people, and representative goes in parliament for opinion of people, representative decision. Representative speaks tells what are situation of a people, what are the opinion of a people. This representative tells in parliament, tells council of the state, tells the representative tells house of the people, representative people tells president about opinion of the people, what are the situation in the area of representative. Okay, democracy, because if in our country has democracy, then we are decision, then we are making decision to elect a representative, where people are eligible to vote, elect a representative, participate in the decision making, the process. Here are words where people are eligible but for to vote. If you are upper age of 80, then you can vote. You can get vote. So here I'm saying representative people, and here are discussing about representative people, where people are eligible in the representative democracy. People are eligible to vote and can elect a representative and can participate in the decision making process, because it's all process. It's all process for a leader, for a representative. Okay, for a representative. But in short, we say it's process. But people's works of people first is representative, to elect a representative, and also can by participate people decision, makes a decision. Okay, so the government works at a different level. Our government at a different level, works at different level. Here are mentioned national, state, and local bodies. Three are governments. Three are governments. So means national of government, state of government, local of government, national government, local government, state level, state government. So about national government, you already know, and state, but local, national level means at national affair, international. Okay, it refers to the area of the government which is concerned with national issue. When reach national issue, then national government can address the challenges of national issue. Okay, so when arise national issue, then works then government of national works, it addresses the challenges such as taxation, defense, international relations. In the cases, our national government comes for solve the conflict. Okay, solve the problems. To solve the problem. Okay. So state level. Next comes about state level. State level. What is state level? What is meaning of state level? Through this word. So firstly, we will see each of the state government, because in our country have 28 states, and 20 if a 28 state, then will be 28 government. The state government has its own police force, education system, and road laws. Yeah, every state government has own police force. You will see when you go in any state. Okay, then you will see when you see police. Then here will be write what police force, but also are mentioned about state. Where state? Okay, what state? For example, I live in Jharkhand, and when we will see police, then here will be write what Jharkhand police. Okay, so police force, education system, and road laws. Education system, about education system, I would say some in some line. When you read 6 to 12th, 6 to 10th, okay, 6 to 10th, 6 to 10th book of Jharkhand, okay, JAC, JSC, JAC. When you read, then you will see, then you will find what are mentioned about JSC, because it is made by Jharkhand state. So also we see what is these works of JAC of state government, state level. So it's not issue. Each of the state government its own, and also we say if in any one state raise issues, comes problems, creates problems, then these state government can address of the challenges when arise conflict. Okay, by these people can resolve of conflict. So in short, we will see about this. We discuss about government, about the types of government, about level of governments, national government, state government. A government is the system. In other words, you also can say organization, group of people, because in the government comes many peoples. Suppose council of the state, house of the people, also president, okay, legislative, executive, judiciary, and with the authority, because these people have authority to govern a country or also state. In other words, that has the authority to establish and enforce rules, laws and policies. I just gave example of this. What through these people makes rules and laws and policies. Through these people implements rules, laws and policies. Through these people investigate rules and laws and policies. And through these people applies rules, laws and policies. Within but condition is within particular territory. Okay. And the government is firstly responsible for making public policy, because we elect government representative government. So in this case we say certainly what our representative government is responsible, is firstly accountability for making public policy for an entire society, completely society, for complete. A government can be many types. A government can be many types. For example, here are given, but in this types of government we have selected only one. So we will see. Let's see democracy, republic, monarchy, aristocratic, anarchy, and dictatorship. But we have selected only democracy. Okay, and about this we will discuss later to this word. Level of government. How many levels? How many are levels of government in your mind would be coming? So we see India is a representative democracy, and what is a representative democracy? What are meaning of representative democracy? Here are mentioned. Don't worry about where people are eligible to elect. So this is universal. It's a universal adult preferences. If we talk about vote of people, then also comes this word universal adult franchise. Okay, where people are eligible to elect to vote, elect representative. Okay, people can participate in the decision making the process, and in this short we, in other words, no, in other words, no, Add one sentence. In add one sentence, we say its process to elect to elect a representative leader, representative government. The government works at different levels. One is national, second is state, and third is local bodies. About local bodies, we have not discussed. Okay, in the upcoming, in the next lecture, we will discuss about local bodies. National level. This is first level of government. National level. It refers to the area of the government which is concerned with the national issue. Means here are saying our government when helps, then when works, then arise, then in any country, then in country arise the issue, but related to national, related to national. Here are given taxation, defense, international relations, and trade. It's related to national, at the national level. So in this case, our national governments can solve the conflict, can solve the problem if arise. If in any country arise, then now about the state level, each of the state government, because in our country have 28 states and 28 states, there will be 28 government. Each of the state government has its own police force, education systems, and road laws. And about education systems, I gave, I told about the JAG 6 to 10th, because the 6 to 10th books are made by our government. Our government means depend on state government. And in the next step, we will discuss next term. Okay, next term. About before that about national level and state level we have discussed, and we saw about national level and about state level. And about after this two level comes local level, because in when we talk about level of government, then three comes. First is national, second is state, third is local. Okay, about third we will discuss 23 and 24th. Okay, 23 and 24th are word we will discuss. Okay, so let's see without a time waste. Local level. Local means local area. Local means village, people of village. Okay, local area. Through this word, do remember. The local government. Local government means when we say uh, village people, leader of village people. The local government are known also panchayats. Okay, in panchayats, who comes members, who are members of panchayats, ward sarpanch, these are members. Security of sarpanch of panchayats. Okay, in rural areas and municipal corporation, municipalities and nagar panchayats in urban areas. These members becomes in urban areas, and panchayats members becomes in rural areas. And all these members we say local government. Okay, we say at local level. Okay, only means of one. Only rule about rural areas we cannot say, that is local level we cannot say, because here are mentioned also about rural areas and urban areas. These two areas are about local level, are about local government. Okay, so till here we 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 have discussed, and it's enough, okay, to discuss. The local government who are members of rural areas, members of urban areas. Who are members? Members of panchayats and municipal corporation and municipalities. Okay, and if arrange question, what in rural areas members becomes panchayats. In urban areas members becomes this municipal corporation and municipality. Next, we see India follows a direct form of democracy. About it's we already clear. We already clear, but India have selected democracy. So democratic government. Our government is democratic government. Our country is a democratic country. Government makes the decision and get things done by any one persons, not even any one persons, make the decision and get things done. Means get things done by parliament, member of parliament, president, executive by executive person, by legislative person, by legislative persons. Because works of these members are different. Okay, are different. So this that's why I'm saying you in term of function of government. And here I am saying work of government I was saying. And here I am saying in term of government makes the decision and government gets things done by anyone executive, legislative person and judicial persons. Government ensure food security, yeah, in society, in entire society, and we have discussed about entire society, about complete society, and here are mention related to entire society. What are saying our government ensure food security. What is ensure food security? And it's compulsory for society, for people of a country, and provide good health facility, because these need public people, and it's compulsory whether our country or other country. Okay, no matter, but where place is where person is living, and that government of that place ensure food security and provide good health facilities. Government has power. Yeah, we agree. Government has power to make and what for to make the decision as well as power to enforce its decision. When government takes a decision, then after decision, our government enforce the laws and policies. The decision enforce. Okay. About it, we have already discussed. But here are coming. So some words we will see, because upcoming lectures about related to this can come. Okay, so don't worry about. Okay, democracy, we see democracy, about democracy, because here are what we were reading, what we are reading, what we were reading. India follows a direct form of democracy, and what are democracy? What is the democracy? What means democracy? It is a form. It is a form of a government. Yeah, yeah. Here you are saying form of a government. Form of a government. How many are form of a government? Democracy, republic, monarchy. We have already seen. So here are saying it is a form of government, and we have selected one is democracy. And this democracy run by elected representative who hold the decision making powers. By representative people makes a decision, and elected representative people have authority of people authority. okay, who hold the decision making powers. It can be classified into direct and indirect democracy. Okay, we have selected indirect democracy. About monarchy, we will discuss what this does not comes in our study, almost in our study. But in short, we will say about this because some of the words we need information, we need keep to informations of servers of some words. A monarchy refers to the rule. This is rule by a king or queen. In the our past time, we will see when we will discuss. Then this king, this queen by rule are ruled by these people. Okay. So, but at the present time, we have selected democracy, not selected monarchy. Okay. So sometimes a king is called an empire, sometimes a queen is called an empire. Okay. So here is called an empire. But at the present time, what is called democracy government. Okay. Representative democracy. What? Because here representative democracy. Okay, representative democracy. These words, its words, and what is meaning of this word? The type of democracy. Yeah, the type of democracy. Representative who, when we elect, when people elect our representative people. So here are saying representative people not representative democracy. The types of democracy in which the citizens delegate authority. Delegate means your own authority give representative. Okay, are you getting whatever I am trying to say? Delegate means when people your authority give other persons, give other representative person. Okay, or authority to their elected representative. Okay. So about it word we have multiple times discussed. Next we will say women's suffrage. Suffrage. Okay. Suffrage means movement. Women's movement. About this word you have you heard this word? And this word you will hear many times, multiple times. And heard will be heard. A movement started in the early 20th century. Century. Okay. Vigorously means rapidly. For many years, demanding was equality with men and the right to vote. This you can say it's report, and this will be important in our future, not in our study. And it's important. Women suffrage is important, was important in our past time. So our woman was very suffer in moment time. Okay, woman time. A movement started. This movement started in the early 20th century, and this was rapidly for many years. Not here are saying some years, 1 to some months, not many years. And this was history. This was make history. Okay. Demanding of women suffrage. What was equality? This woman wanted. We want equality with men and the right to vote. And at the present, you will see word woman, 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 made equality. Women have equality rights with men, and also women have right to vote. In short, we will see about it. Local government, but but before that we saw about national government, national level, and state level. And here we are saying, we are discussing the local government are known as non panchayats, means panchayats members becomes in rural areas, okay. And municipal corporation, municipality is nagar panchayats members becomes in urban areas. So we cannot say only one rural areas is called local area. No, we cannot say, okay. So these two area, they, when we discuss about two areas, about these two areas, then we say local level. 23, 24th. What tells us? What does it tells us? 23 tells us about rural areas, about the situation of a panchayat. And 24th will tell us, 24th tell us about urban areas. What are situation of urban areas? Okay. So India follows a direct form of a democracy. Our country have selected what democracy? Government makes the decision and gets the things done by legislative person and executive person and also judiciary persons. Okay. And in term of function of a government, when we talk about under function of a government, then this point comes. Government ensure food security in entire society and also provide good health facilities. It compulsory for each society. Government has power to make the decision and as well as power. Government has also power to enforce its decision. When our governments make the decision, take the decision, and after take the decision, our government enforce take a decision. Okay, take a decision. Democracy, here are mentioned about the democracy. It is a form of a government because we have selected a form of a democracy. Why we not why have we not selected republic, monarchy? Because we do not need. We need democracy, and almost countries have selected a democracy. Have selected democracy government. It is a form of government run by elected representative who hold the decision making power. It can be classified into direct and indirect democracy. So monarchy. It's also types of a government. A monarchy refers to the rule by a king, a queen. Sometimes a king is called empire, and sometimes queen is called an empire. And at the present time, you will see government democracy, not this one, empire. Representative democracy, the types of democracy in which the citizens delegate authority. Your authority gives to elected representative. Okay, here are saying to the elected representative, when your authority have and your authority give elected representative in your area. Women suffrage, this was a movement started in the early 20th century, and this was vigorously mentioned rapidly for many years, not some years, okay. And this was the biggest movement in the past history, our past history. Demanding was equality with men and also right to vote. And at the present, you will see about women suffrage. Women have authority. Women have equality, equal right with the women, and also have right to vote. Okay. have authority, right to vote. This was, that's it.